In this guide video, I'll show you the procedure to make an aesthetic Discord welcome with Carboard. To do it, so you simply want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. So here's how you could do it. First of all, you have to create a channel. So I've already created mine. So when you open it up, this is how it should look like. Now if you don't know how to create a channel, I'll make sure to leave the link on my description. You could watch that out as well. Once you're done creating a channel, what next you want to do is open up your Carboard or just go to carl.gg and click on login with Discord. Now this is going to take a couple of seconds, just wait patiently. So when you go to this section, you want to click on the invite button in the top of the page. Here you go. After which you just have to manually go ahead and enter in all of these. You want to keep on scrolling, add a server and click on continue. And if you're sure about it, do this as well and authorize. As you've done it, so click on get started. So next what you need to do is go to the welcome section from the left hand side corner. Here you have. And once you've actually done it, so now you have to go ahead and follow this variables as well. So this is how it should look. So here you have to go ahead and type in your welcome message. And once you've actually done it, so you also want to go ahead and make sure to follow all the instructions. And from here onwards, you could go ahead and make an aesthetic Discord welcome channel, welcome message with Carboard. That's how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.